So welcome to I lecture line. My name is KHALEEL. So today we are going to find the atomic packing factor of simple cubic structure. So it's very simple. So what you need to do is to draw the crystal structure. Okay? To draw a crystal structure is like this. Something like cube. So this is a cube. So in each side of the atom, for simple atom, for simple cubic, we have atom, its end, and since here is our atom, and this size length of here is A, length of here is A, and here also is A. Since this is a diameter, so here it is R and here it is R, and from here we can deduce that A is equal to 2R. Very simple. Okay, so atomic packing factor, firstly let's guess the N. From here N is equal to we have 8 number of atom, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and each one of them contribute 1/8 atom. So here we can see 8 times 1/8, which is equivalent to 8/8, which is equivalent to 1. So N is equal to 1. So atomic packing factor is equal to volume of atom all over volume of cubic cell. So volume of atom is equal to N times 4/3 pi R cube, and BC is equal to A cube. And we know that since from the beginning A is equal to 2R, and we can replace A as 2R, then BC is equal to 2R power 3. Then BC is equal to 8R cube. So atomic packing factor is equal to BA all over what? BC. Our BA is N times 4/3 pi R cube all over BC is 8R cube. So our N, we know our N since it is equal to 1, then N is 1 times 4/3 pi R cube all over 8R cube. It's called the atomic packing factor. So here, from here you can say that 1 times 4 is 4/3 pi R cube divided by 8R cube. We can say that 4/3 pi R cube times 1/8R cube. R cube goes with R cube, as we know, and 4 into 4 here 1, 4 here 2, and it will be pi all over 5 times 1/3 times 2, and from here we can say that pi all over 6. So from here we can, our value of pi is 3.142 all over 6. 5/6, 0.52. Atomic packing factor is equal to 0.52. Hence, our atomic packing factor will equivalent to 52.3%. That is the final solution. So don't forget to subscribe with TRONICS YouTube channel. Thank you.